48-hour Manipur ban over Baby Sana's death continues to cripple normal life. JSCC calls for boycotting Teachers' Day celebration. And Indian Air Force gets its first fleet of 8 Apache attack helicopters. Very good afternoon. You're watching News Today at 1 p.m. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The 48-hour statewide shutdown called by Baby Sana JAC from last morning is affecting normal life in the state on the second day today amid tight security. As per a report, the burn largely crippled normal life in places like Thangmeiban area, Khwaramban Market, Khurai Lamlong, Khoyathong, Hata Minuthong, Palace Compound, Kaisampat, Singzamei, Uripok and other locations in Imphal. However, shops remain open in some places, but educational institutions and major commercial establishments remain shut in the heart of Imphal city. Roads wore a deserted look during the ongoing ban, except for few auto rickshaws plying on the road. No untoward incidents were reported so far.
Sidi am noite no tang to de pe ni chi khile lo lai ba khoi di thab u ju su sa ja ba ji khoi di ya dab ni khoi di ma pan tho lo ji thau bu ji kai gi no ai ba yum di sai su lai ba ni na nong su sa ja ba ni na adu da khoi di thol ta ya dan mi thoe
nong mai su sa ba khoi di yang ma ja sa ni nong man ban ne ga ne yum da lai ba ma tam su lai ni de nong mai gi yang khai sa ma lem ba do adagi ban lo so sum khong la sum lai mi
ada kai haidoi no khang de hoi taw budi summe sumba budi ko ba loi ja ada tawri ji budi sumba doi ta ju lai ra mayam de ko phajana ware khoi jung arang bodi tholak te lakte.
On the other hand, the 48-hour ban is causing inconveniences mainly to daily wage earners. Some express their viewpoints to TOMTV. The Joint Students Coordinating Committee JSCC has urged all educational institutes to boycott the upcoming Teachers' Day celebration, which falls on September 5th. JSCC convener Peter Laishram made the appeal during a press meet at AMSU headquarters, Imphal today. Laishram observed that exchanging gifts between students and teachers has become an ugly race, creating a confusing scene which is condemnable. On the other hand, condemning the incident wherein 2 students were brutally assaulted allegedly by the Secretary of Smart Universal Academy on August 29 last, he announced that JSCC will launch an investigation into the matter.
September 5, the institution sing the Teachers' Day Taubagi Adi Taugadaba Lermagasu Adu Taubidanaba Media Tong the Hajari Haibadi September 5 the institution Kudimakta Teachers' Day Taubada Athingba Thamle na JSCC site gi hajari issue thokiba khoi Smart Universal Academy da mahero anibu aduki matik tamthina phuba haidi yengnabada phuba dona adumaina phugi bagi thong adu akanba miyeng sangani na Joint Student Coordination Committee site gi media thong da thamjare.
In a big step towards modernizing the Indian Air Force fleet, US-made Apache AH64 helicopters were inducted into the Indian Air Force at the Pathankot Air Base today. According to sources, the first Apache squadron will have 8 helicopters that have already been supplied by Boeing. Boeing is likely to deliver all the 22 helicopters by 2020. 4 of these helicopters are to be stationed at the Pathankot Air Force Station, which is just a few miles from the border with Pakistan and a prime air base. Police arrested a drug peddler along with 836 pieces of spasmoproxibone capsules, 182 pieces of WY tablets and 2 bottles of prohibited cough syrup from his residence in the wee hours today. The arrested has been identified as Muhammad B.M. Anwar Khan, son of late Muhammad Samsuruddin of Lilong Chingkham Makha. The operation was conducted around 1 a.m. by a team of Lilong Police Station led by Officer-in-Charge Inspector O. Ajit Singh, assisted by Sub-Inspector Muhammad Isha Khan and members of Anti-Social Element Prevention Youth Committee, Lilong Chingkhamakha, under the supervision of Thawal District Superintendent of Police. Official sources said over the incident, a regular case has been registered at Lilong Police Station for further investigation. Now we are heading to a short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi no food item singi mahok kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibu
Kangla Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidama contact you Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back after the break. Residents of around 25 villages in interior Samu Lamlan block under Saikot constituency of Churachandpur district are facing a lot of inconveniences due to the bad condition of the 25-kilometer long Kaprang Chaizang road stretch, which is an inter-village road. However, road restoration work is currently underway under the combined initiative of Tuikon Youth Union and Tuikol Development Committee. Talking to TOMTV, Elvis Ginmin Len, an active member of Tuikon Youth Union, said that the road improvement work has started by the residents with their own cash in view of the situation. He also demanded that the Manipur government take steps for blacktopping of the road without delay. As part of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, the Bishnupur District Administration and District Superintendent of Police will jointly organize a half-marathon run on September 15. The marathon will be started from the foothills of Sendra and culminate at the office complex of Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur. DC Nita Rambam has urged each and everyone to come out and take part in the program to honor the girl child.
Important in a conservative scheme. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Hadi nupi bu kansi, nupi bu lari tamhansi. Haiba scheme do. Adugi makada akoigi Bishnupur district ki oina Bishnupur district administration.
The United People's Front Manipur and Kasom Village Authority have jointly organized a one-day free health camp under the aegis of Director of Ayush at Kamjong today. A medical team from Director of Ayush attended the camp where people of all ages were treated. The team also spread awareness of various diseases and how to prevent them. Around 200 residents attended the camp and medicines were also distributed to them during the camp. Education Minister and President of Manipur Olympic Association T.H. Radheshyam has kicked off the 38th Inter-District and 64 State Open Badminton Championship 2019 today at DM College Indoor Stadium, Imphal. In all, 102 players of 4 teams from the 4 valley districts of Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal and Bishnupur are taking part in the championship organized by Manipur Badminton Association. Let's now take another short break, but coming up, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announces to work to his office every Wednesday. More after the break.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom gi leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kayagi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gidamak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau.
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Salai Holdings Private Limited की Smart Universal Academy बो अगस्त की तांग तरा निपाल दा Hotel Taj West and Bengaluru दा Blind Wing की India न सिंबा India Education Award 2019 ये तोपगी थोरम दा Best Digital School with CSR Initiative in Manipur 2019 हाइबा award अमदी तांग कुंगनी थोई दा दिल्ली की ताजमहल होटल दा Integrated Ichiverse न सिंधुना पांगतोखिबा 10th National Education and Business Summit 2019 दा स्कूल असी की President Dr. Naringum Samarjit Singh दा National Education Excellence Award 2019 पिराकोदा ngakoi लेतन नुंगाइबा फोंगदोक चे.
Welcome back. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma urged the people of Meghalaya to work to their office, school and college at least once in a week. The Chief Minister announced that he would be walking from his official residence to his office every Wednesday and urged one and all to follow suit. Sangma also said the people of the state are aware of fitness, which has been a part of tradition and culture. As part of the campaign, the Chief Minister walked from his official residence to the venue of the Fit India movement function on Thursday. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb claimed in the State Assembly that law and order situation in the state is improving. He has said that compared to 2017, the law and order situation in Tripura during 2018 was better. As per reports, Biplab Deb claimed that compared to 2017, crime against women has reduced by 6% in 2018. Dowry-related atrocities reduced to 12%. Dowry-related debt reduced to 45%, incidents of rape reduced to 5% and molestation reduced to 8%. 2 persons were killed and 3 were severely injured when a building collapsed in Northeast Delhi's Silampur area last night. According to fire officials, a call was received around 11:30 p.m. regarding the collapse and 4 fire tenders were pressed into service. 5 persons who sustained severe injuries were rushed to the Jagpravesh Chandra Hospital and the Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital, where 2 were declared brought dead while 3 are undergoing treatment. Bangladesh has asked its telecommunication operators to shut down mobile services to the Rohingya camps, which are inhabited in millions by people of the tribe in the southeastern part of the country. Moreover, the telecommunication operators are also asked to submit reports on the actions they have taken to shut down networks in the camps. The order came due to a recent surge of violent incidents in the camps. As per reports, some Rohingya people have been found to be involved in the murder of a local ruling party official named Omar Farouk. 4 Rohingyas have already been shot dead in connection with the murder. Moreover, local people have also protested against Farouk's murder by vandalizing shops visited by refugees and blocking highways leading to a Rohingya campsite. Rohingya refugees have said the recent bloodshed has created an atmosphere of fear in the camp, where security has been tightened. However, the Bangladesh police are hopeful that this move will help in bringing down the number of criminal activities committed by the Rohingyas living in the camps. The police claim that a number of cases of drug trafficking from Myanmar have been filed against most of the Rohingya refugees. Apart from drug trafficking, many Rohingya refugees have been found to be involved in robberies and murders. Rohingya refugees fled from Rakhine state of Myanmar to Bangladesh in large number 2 years ago following a military crackdown on the Muslim Rohingya minority. The recent repatriation of the refugees of Myanmar also failed as most of them refused to go back to their homeland. Before we wrap up the bulletin, the headlines once again. 48-hour Manipur ban over Baby Sana's death continues to cripple normal life. JSCC calls for boycotting Teachers' Day celebration. And Indian Air Force gets its first fleet of 8 Apache attack helicopters. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.